Washing powder sitting in a laundry room seems to have nothing to do with a toilet bowl. One is a box of white granules used for clothes. The other is a bathroom fixture covered in mineral stains and bacterial buildup. And yet, scooped directly into a toilet bowl, ordinary washing powder produces a result that most commercial toilet cleaners, despite their bold packaging and powerful scent, consistently fail to match. The reason comes down to what washing powder is actually built to do. Laundry detergent is engineered to remove deeply embedded stains, grease, and bacteria from fabric using surfactants, compounds that break the surface tension of water and physically lift dirt away from whatever it is clinging to. That same mechanism works just as effectively on porcelain. The mineral deposits, the bacterial film, and the stubborn brown ring inside a toilet bowl are not so different from the stains a washing machine deals with every day. Both require something powerful enough to break a bond, rather than simply mask it with fragrance. Standard toilet cleaner is largely an acid-based formula paired with scent. It foams on contact, it smells aggressively clean, and it dissolves a thin surface layer of grime. What it does not contain is a water softener strong enough to address calcium and magnesium buildup at its source. Washing powder does. Most formulas include a water softening agent specifically designed to combat the same hard water deposits that show up in washing machines after years of use, the identical mineral buildup responsible for that gray ring inside a toilet bowl. There is a bleaching component at play as well. Many washing powders contain an oxidizing bleach agent used to keep white fabric looking white over repeated washes. That same agent, applied directly to porcelain, gradually lifts discoloration and brightens the surface with regular use, without the overpowering chemical smell associated with pure bleach products. The combination of surfactants, water softener, and a mild bleaching agent is precisely why washing powder ends up tackling a toilet bowl more thoroughly than products explicitly marketed for the job. Toilet cleaner was designed around fragrance and quick visible foam. Washing powder was designed around actually removing what causes a stain in the first place, and that distinction carries directly over from fabric to porcelain. The texture of washing powder itself adds something extra. Unlike a liquid cleaner that runs straight down the sides of the bowl and drains away within seconds, powder clings to the wet porcelain surface and stays in contact with the stain for far longer. That extended contact time is what allows the surfactants and the water softener to actually work on the mineral bond, rather than rinsing away before they have a chance to do anything. A light coating of powder across the entire interior of the bowl, including underneath the rim, where the worst buildup tends to collect out of sight, gives the formula time to interact with deposits that liquid cleaners typically miss entirely. That spot beneath the rim almost never gets proper contact with conventional products, because gravity pulls liquid cleaner straight down the porcelain before it has any chance to reach there. Powder, by contrast, settles and sticks to vertical and angled surfaces in a way liquid simply cannot, and that is exactly why that hidden area finally gets treated rather than permanently ignored. There is also a meaningful difference in what happens to the toilet itself over the long run. Bleach-based products are corrosive to rubber seals and components inside a toilet system with repeated use, gradually degrading parts that are expensive to replace. Washing powder is considerably gentler on these materials while still delivering disinfecting power through its bleaching agent, making it suitable for regular use without the long-term wear that comes from constant bleach exposure. The cost difference matters too. A box of washing powder, already sitting in most laundry rooms next to the washing machine, lasts for months of toilet cleaning on top of its intended use, while a dedicated bottle of toilet cleaner empties after a handful of uses and needs replacing every few weeks. One product is already being purchased regularly for an entirely different reason and simply does double duty. The other is a single-purpose item competing for shelf space and household budget against something that already does the job better, sitting just a few steps away in the laundry room the entire time. What ties all of this together is a simple mismatch between what a product was built for and what gets sold for the job. Toilet cleaner was built to smell powerful and foam visibly. Washing powder was built to dismantle the exact kind of mineral and bacterial buildup that defines a dirty toilet bowl in the first place. And that distinction is the entire reason one consistently outperforms the other. Have you ever tried using washing powder on a toilet before? Let me know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more tricks like this one. See you in the next video.